Hello, my name is Michael Toney, and I'm a graduate communication designer here at the Colorado School of Mines. Let's discuss writing a hypothesis statement, a core component of any scientific report. A hypothesis statement is simply an educated prediction of the outcome of an experiment. The word educated here is key. Your prediction should be justified by scientific literature from respected sources, such as textbooks or peer-reviewed journal articles. Hypothesis statements have three core components: an independent variable, dependent variable, and a predicted outcome or relationship between our two variables. A simple method for combining these into a cohesive hypothesis is the if-then formula. If I change the independent variable, then the dependent variable will change as predicted. Let's use a concrete example and fill in these blanks. Consider the classic volcano demonstration. An experiment was conducted which varied the amount of vinegar added to the volcano mixture. The height of the foam eruption was measured and recorded. Using the if-then format, we obtain the following statement. If the concentration of vinegar is increased, then the height of the eruption will also increase. This is an example of a basic hypothesis which clearly communicates the independent and dependent variables. If you read scientific literature, it is rare that you will see the if-then format used. So how do scientists write a mature hypothesis? This usually requires the command of jargon or discipline-specific vocabulary, and the development of your own writing voice. If I was to rewrite this statement, I may phrase it like so. The aqueous reaction of baking soda and acetic acid rapidly evolves carbon dioxide gas, which in the presence of a surfactant will produce a foamy eruption whose height is directly dependent on the concentration of acetic acid. This statement includes jargon relevant to the discipline that provides more detail about the predicted outcome, as well as the independent and dependent variables. To elevate your hypothesis writing, you will need a wider knowledge base in the subject of your reports and lots of practice. For more examples of hypotheses and an opportunity to practice your craft, check out our handout and activity on hypothesis writing.